G'day guys and welcome to the VEMATrader tutorial series. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the journal section. So we've currently got the ETH perp trade that we had set up in the setup and risk management sections. We're looking for the breakdown of this alpha trend line with a confirmation of the candle close below before VEMA will enter this trade. So now what I like to do in the reasons for entry section is write a bit of a detailed description of what I am seeing, why I'm entering this trade, so that when I come back and review this later, I know exactly what I was doing and what I was thinking at the time. So here's what I prepared earlier. So the things I'm seeing at the moment are the high time frame bias is bearish. Market structure's been coming down. We've got a bear flag forming that's moved up to the 61.8 fibs, and it's rejected from there. It was front run a little bit. So a bear flag in a bear market, that's got a higher probability of breaking down. And then the other thing I'm looking for is the breakdown of the flag with the candle confirmation before I enter. There's also an EQ level here, so I could put that in too. We've got 4-hour EQ. And so then what I do is I come to my tags. Now tags is a really, really important feature in VEMA. It's probably one of our most valuable features in my opinion, and it's really, really crucial for your analysis. You're going to be able to sort some really impressive data, and the more tags that you use, or not necessarily the more tags, but the more that you use tags, the better you'll be able to sort your data and find your edge in the markets. So the tags I would use here are bear flag, because we had that. We've got the fib levels, we've got my high time frame bias being bearish. I spelt breakdown wrong there, so we'll ignore that one. We've also got that 4-hour EQ. Now you don't have to tag everything. So VEMA will automatically tag this as an Ethereum perp trade. It'll automatically tag it as a 4-hour trade. Even my risk to reward, it'll automatically tag it as the risk to reward that this trade enters at. So it's really for things that VEMA's not automatically tagging. You'll figure those out as you go, but yeah, it's the things that you're seeing on the chart for the most part. So don't worry about tagging, time frames and those sorts of things. If you don't want to, you can always tag them because you might have certain reasons to, but I don't bother. Now confidence. So like I said, this is a bearish market and we have a bear flag, so I'm reasonably confident in this trade. I'm going to give myself probably not a 7, I'm going to go a 6. And mood. I am very happy today, so I'm going to set that as very happy. And that's it. That's everything that you have to do for your journal. So you can see it's really nice and simple. Now, all you have to do now, because this trade is completely set up, is hit create. And then I can save that. Then it will take me to the dashboard, so it'll complete that trade. And I'll meet you guys in the next video where I'll explain the dashboard to you.